Just name one artist from Somalia.
I actually know. I can see the name, but I cannot pronounce.
Yo, welcome to Somali Cultural Festival happening at the Two Rivers Mall this week all the way to 25th of July. And hapa tuko kwa Tubonge, we'll be talking to people as they tell us how they feel about having the first ever Somali festival.
It feels so great. It's amazing. Whatever they did, it's a big accomplishment. We came here to market ourselves. We have a booth. We have a skin analysis machine where people can come for facials. Yeah, and we've come to also interact with other, clients. Yeah, for sure.
Naitwa Abdinasir kutoka Isili.
Kutoka Isili. How does it feel kukuwa na hii Somali Cultural Festival ever for the first time in Kenya?
It feels awesome.
This week is a week which we present our culture as we are Somalis, and it's a happy event for us. We expect more because we have never done this in Kenya. Yeah, that's happy. That's why a lot of us are here.
It's excellent that we are recognizing all our communities in this country. I've attended very many other festivals. I've attended the Luya festivals. I've attended the Luo festivals, the Kikuyu festivals. So I'm very, very happy today that we're now recognizing another community in our country, and that we have such a wonderful festival to just recognize their contribution to our economic, our social, and our political life as an integral part of the country.
So we're here at the Two Rivers Mall, Somali Cultural Festival with Betty Chalo.
Yes,
Betty, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. It's a whole success, and I'm happy that I was part of this festival, the first ever. And it's amazing. Look at the turnout.
I know.
Have you even seen what's happening down there? There's a lot of activity, a lot of families, kids, and it's just super amazing. I'm so happy with the turnout and the success of it. Yeah.
Why did you feel that it's important to be part of this?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's very important for all of us. Hi, how are you? Good, good. I think it's very important for all of us to celebrate each other. I mean, we're a country, full of diversity. So many tribes, different from people from different walks of life. And I just felt like, it's good to celebrate each other. And because I know the Somali community is huge in Kenya, and also huge in the business community, I felt like, this is a fantastic idea to celebrate the culture, the diversity. And I actually like that we started this week during the Eid festival. So at least that as many people can be reached and as many families can come here and enjoy it. Yeah.
You're in the business, and I understand that Somali community are one of the biggest spenders.
Yeah.
Have you witnessed that?
Definitely. I mean, even at my spa, Flair by Betty, we even had to create for them a room, a privacy room, whereby they can come and do, because Muslim women are not supposed to have their hair out like mine. So, I mean, even in my spa, we made it possible for them to have their own separate private room. And so for me, I've seen them, they're really supportive clients. They come with their families, they come there the whole day, they eat over there, they pray over there. So, I mean, they're an amazing community when it comes to business and supporting entrepreneurs like myself, and I've seen it. For Two Rivers to come out strongly, hold the first ever and successful Somali festival, I think it's an amazing idea. And I know in future we'll keep celebrating other cultures. I'm looking forward to Kamba Nights or Kamba Festival. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to Two Rivers hosting it, and I know there are many plans ahead to for Two Rivers to host as many cultures as possible. So starting with the Somali community, I think that was a good thing, and it's a plus for the for the mall, and also for all of us to know that hey, we can actually celebrate each other every single day in the biggest way possible.